These are oatmeal pancakes. Ottimo. Blend the rolled oats to turn them into oatmeal flour. Add in a pinch of salt. Give it a quick stir, then take a banana, peel it, and add it to a mixing bowl. Mash the banana with a fork, then add milk. We're using soy milk, water, vegetable oil. We're using canola oil, and vanilla extract. Mix with a fork, then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredient, and mix with a fork until the ingredients are well combined. Then cover and let rest in the fridge for 15 minutes to allow the oat flour to absorb the liquids and thicken up a little. While the batter rests, you can make the topping with chopped apples. Add the apples to a pot, add raisins, cinnamon, and some water, and cook on medium heat for about 10 minutes or until the apples are soft. Now take the batter out of the fridge, add baking powder, and give it a quick stir. Now warm up a non-stick pan and brush it with oil. Add a dollop of batter and cook on a hot pan on medium to low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip them with a spatula and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. Serve the pancakes on a plate, add the apples on top, tiny bit of butter, maple syrup, and